I like seeing much empowering, and this was what I thought of it.
Fighting at football. Possession of cocaine. At your age. Don't you feel the slightest bit embarrassed?
Dreadfully embarrassed, mate.
This film's about a guy that stars Danny Dyer is stuck in the past. He's doing drugs, he's drinking with his mates and starting fights. He got nicked for fighting, so they gave him 6 weeks to turn his life around. This film features drugs, alcohol, violence, bad language. If anything you think of, it's all in this film. I thought it was a really good film at the end. I enjoyed the storyline and the comedy. I gave it 5 out of 5 stars, and I thought it was a really good film. If you see it, let me know what you thought of it.